Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve a vector algebra problem. As per the problem, if vector A and vector B are unit vectors inclined at an angle theta to each other, then the magnitude of sum of vectors A and B is less than 1 if we are given 4 answer choices. We have to choose the correct answer choice. We can use concepts of vector addition to solve this problem. We are given that vectors A and B are unit vectors that are inclined at an angle theta to each other. Let's start by drawing vectors A and B. The angle between these vectors is theta. We should draw these vectors in tail-to-tail arrangement and show the angle theta between them. We can use the parallelogram method to draw vector A plus vector B. The third side represents vector B. We should draw it from tip of vector A parallel to vector B. The fourth side is vector A. Vector A plus vector B is the longer diagonal of this parallelogram. In a parallelogram, adjacent angles are supplementary angles. So the corner angle on the right side is equal to pi minus theta, because supplementary angles are angles whose sum is equal to pi radians or 180 degrees. We can label the corners of this parallelogram. We can find the expression for magnitude of vector A plus vector B by analyzing triangle MNO. We are given that vectors A and B are unit vectors. That means magnitude of vector A is equal to 1 and magnitude of vector B is equal to 1. We can use cosine law to write an expression for magnitude of vector A plus vector B. As per the cosine law equation, I get magnitude of vector A plus vector B is equal to magnitude of vector A square plus magnitude of vector B square minus 2 times magnitude of vector A times magnitude of vector B times cos pi minus theta, all under the square root. Because in triangle MNO, the length of side MN is magnitude of vector A and length of side NO is magnitude of vector B. Now we can simplify the expression under the square root. Magnitude of vector A is 1. Magnitude of vector B is 1. As per the cofunction identity for cos pi minus theta is equal to negative cos theta. We can simplify this expression under the square root further. Negative 2 times 1 times 1 times negative cos theta is equal to positive 2 cos theta. We can factor out 2 from both terms. This is the expression for magnitude of vector A plus vector B in terms of theta. In this problem, we have to find the value of theta for which magnitude of vector A plus vector B is less than 1. That means we have to find the value of theta for which square root of 2 times 1 plus cos theta is less than 1 because magnitude of vector A plus vector B is equal to square root of 2 times 1 plus cos theta. We can find the answer by subbing in the given theta values from the answer choices into this inequality one by one to find out which answer choice is correct. Let's start with theta equals pi over 6. Cos pi over 6 is equal to square root of 3 over 2. So we get 1 plus square root of 3 over 2 is a value greater than 1, and then 2 times that value will give us a value greater than 2. So square root of 2 times 1 plus square root 3 over 2 is not less than 1. It will be a value greater than 1. So that's why option A cannot be the answer. Next we can try theta equals pi over 3. I get 2 times 1 plus cos pi over 3 under the square root less than 1. Cos pi over 3 is equal to 1 over 2. 1 plus 1 over 2 is equal to 3 over 2. 2 times 3 over 2 is equal to 3. And square root of 3 is not less than 1. That means option B is not the answer. Now we can try pi over 2. I get 2 times 1 plus cos pi over 2 under the square root. Cos pi over 2 is equal to 0. Square root of 2 is not less than 1. That means option C is not the answer. So the answer should be option D. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.